You need to know how to describe thing in English to be fluent in English. A motorcycle was pulling a load that was too heavy. A man was riding it while a woman was pushing from behind as they crossed the busy street. Well, perhaps because the load was too much, the motorcycle kept jolting upward like a kuda lumping, hopping around uncontrollably. Even though it looks funny to us, it must have been really difficult for them. So, stay strong, amazing backbone of the family. May God always bless you. Amen. Join kelas kita, klik link di bio atau ketik speaking di kolom komen sekarang.